Hi, today we're in a park in Tormund. Have a look at this. Bavaria Park. Vivary Park. Absolutely stunning. Big area in Blair. I went down to Remembrance 11:30 this morning, but this park is absolutely stunning. Bandstand over there. Got Jahalabad Barracks in the background. Just to let you know, I'm Andrew Ryder, digital creator, and just taking you around this beautiful park. Look at that. Taking a nice stroll. It's raining on this Saturday. Bandstand. Someone's just got married. There we go, there's a big old building there. You can see it, Jahalabad Barracks. Was converted in 1994 to residential.